Welcome to Cosmos Airdrop. Today we are going to explore the Sahara project, a platform that is making wave in the world of content creation and cryptocurrency. Now I want you to get ready to learn how to participate in the phase 4 and rewards and take your content to the next level. So let's dive in. So the Sahara project is an exciting opportunity for creators and investors to earn reward and build their presence. With the phase 4 content creation tax, no Sahara points, and also the waitlist campaign, there is never been a better way or a better time to get involved except now. As you can see, the airdrop starts in the next 2 hours. So the distribution will start. As you can see, I have 0 token of this project and I have already connected my wallet. Now I used my EVM wallet, which is the MetaMask, for me to connect. So if you are seeing this video right away, I want you to start up now and join the Sahara project community today and start earning. You can use the link right there on the description of this video and also in the Telegram group. And don't forget to go ahead and support us by subscribing to this YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell, click on all to stay alerted whenever we post a new video, and don't forget to help us beat the algorithm by liking this video that you're watching right now. Don't forget to join our community to get started. So by joining the wait list, you will be the first to know about the new opportunities and the updates from Sahara. The phase 4 of the Sahara project includes content creation tags, where participants can earn Sahara points by submitting content creations. Here is what you should know about this project. Now, each video that you have submitted about this project will earn you 25 Sahara points. Now all you're going to do is just to create a video about this project and go ahead and submit it. Just prepare a video for now. In my next video, I'm going to show you where you can submit this video and how you're going to do so. Now participants need to visit the Sahara website and connect their wallet, like I said, and submit your content creation after your wallet is completed. After this submission, participants need to wait for the review process and review an email with the detailed instruction on how you can proceed. So participating in this phase 4 creation can earn rewards and build their presence in the platform. If you are a season 3 participant, don't forget to claim your points. Sahara has sent out a notification email to be sure to visit this website, Sahara application, log into your account, navigate to my wallet or my vault and complete the claiming process. So remember to be vigilant about the potential publishing attempt and avoid opening suspicious email claiming to be from Sahara. Now, for those that are joining the Sahara AI waitlist that I'm doing right here, if you have missed the section 3 application, you can still join the waitlist like I just did right here. You are going to visit the Sahara AI waitlist page, select the interest and submit. So to access the next round of interest like I did right here. So what you're going to do is to connect your wallet and wait. So we are going to have an airdrop that is going to be published in the next 2 hours. So by joining this waitlist, you will be the first to know about the new opportunity and the updates from Sahara. So do you know that you can earn 100 points daily on the Sahara Discord? So for those that are not right there on the Discord, I would like you to join the Sahara Discord server, link your account to the Sahara dashboard, complete their daily tasks, participate by liking, retweeting, and their disseminated posts. So by earning points on the Discord, you can boost your rewards and level up your presence on this platform. So this Sahara project is an exciting opportunity for creators and investors to earn rewards and build their presence. So with the phase 4 content creation tag, Sahara points on the waitlist campaign, there is never been a time better than getting involved now. So join the Sahara community today and start earning. Use the link right there on the description. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell to stay alerted whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching Cosmos Airdrop. If you are interested in learning more about the Sahara project and other cryptocurrency opportunity, be sure to go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay alerted whenever I post a new video. See you in the next video, guys. I begin to